Hello friends, welcome in my class once again. So in my previous video I had given you some basic definitions as well as some basic rules to work out with vector and vector related questions. Okay, so now here we are going to enter in our first exercise 7.1. Okay, so we are going to enter in 7.1 of basic mathematics. So our first question number 1, here it is. The question is given to us. Vector a is equal to 0 comma 0, vector b is equal to 1 comma 2. So from these two given vectors we have to find vector a plus vector b, we have to find vector a minus vector b, and we have to find 2 vector a, and we have to find minus 1 by 3 vector b. So it is quite easy question to us. So let's start with our first question. So our first question is vector a plus vector b. Okay, so vector a plus vector b will be equal to vector a means 0 comma 0 plus vector b means 1 comma 2. So if we add this 0 comma 0 plus 1 comma 2 as our previous rule, so the first element will be added to the first element and the second will be added to the second one. Okay, so accordingly we can go ahead as, so 0 plus 1 first to first comma 0 plus 2 second to second. Okay, so this will be equal to 0 plus 1 will be 1 and 0 plus 2 will be 2. So a plus b will be 1 comma 2. Okay, so hope you are getting the clear concept. Now we have to calculate vector a minus vector b. So vector a minus vector b will be 0 comma 0 minus 1 comma 2. So here again we follow the same rule as in addition. So it will be 0 minus 1 first minus first comma second minus second. So 0 minus 2, 0 minus 1 comma 0 minus 2 will give minus 1 comma minus 2. Okay, accordingly now we have to find 2 vector a. So 2 vector a means 2 into 0 comma 0 will be 0 comma 0, and similarly minus 1 by 3 comma b. So it will be 1 by minus 1 by 3 comma b means minus 1 by 3 into b means 1 by 2. So this will be equal to minus 1 into 1 means minus 1 by 3, and minus 1 by 3 into 2 means minus 2 by 3. Accordingly you can calculate. So these two number you can do it as your homework question. Okay, so this question number 2 you can do it as homework using the same process, using the same phenomena. Okay, now let's move towards next question. Question number 2 I have given to you as homework. You can screenshot this solution and you can check your answer. Similarly question number 3 also you can do accordingly, same process as first number. And question number 3, here you can screenshot this solution and you can check after solving. Similarly 4 number also same. Okay, 2, 3 and 4 are given to you as homework. So be sure question number 2, question number 3 and question number 4, these 3 questions are given to you as homework. You first solve. I have shown you the solution as well, and after solving you can check your solution from the given answer sheet to you. Okay, so let's see 4 number solution. So here I pause the video. Now you can pause it and you can check your solution after solving it without looking. Okay, now let's go to question number 2. So what question number 2 says to us, what we have to do? Let us see. Determine vector a plus 2 vector b, 2 vector a minus 3 vector b, and their magnitude also. So in each of the following. So first number, vector a is given 1 comma 3, vector b is given minus 2 comma 3. So let me go through question number first. Okay, and this question 2 number will be homework to you. This question you have to do as a homework, and also we have to determine unit vector also. Okay, so we have to find vector a plus 2 vector b 2 vector A minus 3 vector B, their magnitude and unit vector also we have to find out. So let's go towards its solution. Note down, vector A means 1 comma 3, vector B means minus 2 comma 3. First of all, we will find vector A plus 2 vector B and 2 vector A minus 3 vector B and their magnitude. So let's move ahead. Okay, so here comes its solution. Let us see. So vector A is given to us, vector A is 1 comma 3, vector B is minus 2 comma 3. So first we have to find vector A plus 2 vector B. So vector A means 1 comma 3 plus 2 into vector B means minus 2 comma 3. So here if you calculate this, it will be 1 comma 3 plus 2 to the minus 4, multiply this, okay, and 2 3 just 6, it will be minus 4 comma 6. Now you can sum this first to first, second to second. So 1 minus 4 comma 3 plus 6 will be minus 3 comma 9. 1 minus 4 means minus 3, 3 plus 6 means 9. Okay, then after, now let's find its magnitude as well. So magnitude of vector A plus 2 vector B will be magnitude of, see, vector A plus 2 vector B, its symbol, so it will be magnitude of minus 3 comma 9. So this will be square root of minus 3 square plus 9 square will be equal to square root of 90, will be equal to 3 root 10. Now by using the same process, now you can find unit vector also. Unit vector along vector A plus 2 vector B will be vector A plus 2 vector B upon magnitude of vector A plus 2 vector B. So that will be minus 3 comma 9 upon magnitude is 3 root 10, so it will be 3 root 10. So this will give a minus 3 by 3 root 10 if you take the first one. So minus 3 and minus 3 will be cancelled out and it will be minus 1 by root 10, comma 9 upon 3 root 10. If you cancel out this 9 and 3, then it will give 3 upon root 10. So unit vector along vector A plus 2 vector B will be here, you can see. So it will be, unit vector will be minus 1 by root 10 comma 3 upon root 10. Okay, so accordingly now we have to go ahead towards the next portion. So here now we have to find 2 vector A minus 3 vector B. We have to find 2 vector A minus 3 vector B. So let's go ahead. So it will be 2 into 2 vector A. Let me come down. So vector A is 1 comma 3 and vector B is minus 2 comma 3. So if you multiply this 2 vector A, then okay, so just a minute. So okay, so if you multiply this 2 vector A, so 2 into 1 comma 3 will be 2 comma 6 and minus 3 vector B, so it will be minus 6 comma 9. Just put the values of vector A and vector B. Now if you operate this, you will get 2 plus 6 comma 6 minus 9 will be 8 comma minus 3, and its magnitude will be magnitude of 8 comma minus 3 will be equal to square root of 8 square plus minus 3 square will be equal to square root of 64 plus 9 will be equal to square root of root 73. Now again, unit vector along 2 vector A minus 3 vector B will be 8 comma minus 3 upon root 73. So if you distribute this, it will be 8 upon root 73 comma minus 3 upon root 73. So accordingly you can find now remaining questions. Okay, so let us see for the remaining questions. So this 2 number is given to you for homework. Okay, do this 2 number as homework, and then after you can check the solution which you have solved. Just I have shown you the solution is not shown to you, just solve it and you can check it from your book as well. Now let's go to question number 3. Question number 3 is, we can see, find vector A. We have to find vector A, just a minute. Okay, so we have to find vector A or vector B as the case may be given. Okay, so according to the case we have to find vector A or vector B. So let us see. First of all, in first question, vector A is given to us 3, 4. In given condition is 3 vector A plus 2 vector B is equal to 5, 6 is given to us. So I will do for this first one, and second number will be homework to you again. So in first case, vector A is given to us 3, 4. Okay, let me take next highlighter. Okay, so here vector A is given to us 3, 4. Let me change the color. Okay, so vector A is given 3, 4, and vector 3 vector A plus 2 vector B is given 5, 6. So since here vector A is given, so we have to find vector B. Okay, so now let's move ahead to the solution. So in first case, it is given to us that 3 vector A plus 2 vector B is equal to 5, 6. It is given to us. So we have to find vector B. So we have to assume that vector B, let vector B is equal to B1, B2. Okay. Then the given condition is 3 vector A plus 2 vector B is equal to 5, 6. Okay. So 3 into vector A is given to us 3, 4. You can see vector A is given to us 3, 4. So it will be 3, 3, 4 plus 2 B1, B2, because vector B is B1, B2. Okay. And this portion is a mistake over here. So please cut this down. Okay, so this will be equal to 5, 6. Now if you go ahead, then 3 3 is a 9 plus 3 4 is a 12. You will get 9, 12 plus 2b1, 2b2 will be equal to 5, 6. So again addition of vector. So in addition of vector, what will you get? Let us see. So here 9 plus 2b1, 9 plus 2b1, 12 plus 2b2 will be equal to 5, 6. Okay, so hence by definition, by equality of the vectors, you will get 9 plus 2b1. So this one 9 plus 2b1 will be equal to 5. Okay, and 12 plus 2b2 will be equal to 6. That will be equal to 6. Now let's go ahead. After equating, now from here easily you can calculate b1 and b2 by simple algebraic operation. So from here now b1 will be equal to -2 and b2 will be also equal to -2. So vector B will be equal to b1, b2, that is equal to -2, sorry, let me check once again. So I think b2 will be -3. Okay, so let's check out once from here. This one, it will be from here, if you calculate from here b2, so 2b2, let me see, 2b2 will be equal to 6 minus 12 will be -6. So b2 will be equal to -3. Okay, fine. So b2 will be equal to -3. Now let's go ahead. So from here it is just correct it. So b2 will be equal to -3. So vector B will be b1, b2, that is equal to -2, -3. Okay, so by using the same process, you can find second number as well. This second number question is homework to you all people. Do it nicely. So here you can see vector A is given, so you have to find vector B again. Okay, if vector B was given, then you have to find vector A. Okay friends, this much for today in this video, and I think we have finished our first exercise 7.1. now with some more notes and with next exercise I will come soon in my next video. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Good night, have a sweet dream.